Cool.
Yeah, the colour of the interior is really
nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is nice.
Yeah. So yeah, get yourself nice and comfortable. So your seat adjustments are on your right there. We'll get some air conditioning running. Get it cooled down a little bit. So yeah, so foot brake on like you've done. Start button's just there, give that a press. So let's get the aircon on. Let's also do some... Is that the cooling seat on?
Yeah, please.
Put that as well, because it's getting warm, aircon's on. So, whenever you're ready, we are going to turn to the right.
And what's this one called? It's a
This is the Sealion 7.
A Sealion 7.
Sealion 7, yeah. Your left turn. Let me put on my map so we know where we're going.
Yeah, the other car was nice, but this, I can feel the luxury already on this is nice.
Yeah, left turn. So what's the video going on, mate? Is it
just
YouTube? You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Oh, go on, let's have a look. I'll give it. Would you like a new subscriber?
Yes, please.
Hang on, mate. Let's have a look for you. And then yeah, well, just keep on going for a bit.
Oh, and it brakes as well slightly when you let off.
So yeah, so he's got some regen.
Yeah.
Not a huge amount compared to other cars.
Yeah.
But it has some regen, and obviously different levels of regen. At the moment, it's in its high state of regen. You got high.
So is that the strongest?
That's the strongest it'll do, which isn't massively strong compared to others.
No, but it's still nice,
Yeah,
though.
yeah. Yeah, we are in normal mode at the moment, but in a short while, when we get onto some better roads, we can put it into sport mode so you can feel what it feels in sport.
Is it first exit at this roundabout?
Yeah, straight across.
Yeah, cool.
Keep on going. Still not finding it. So yeah, straight ahead again.